Abe. So today I'm gonna wash this seat from it's from my Safety First walker. It's a dinosaur walker, and hold on. So as you can see, yeah, my kid hasn't been using it for a few months. So I'm gonna. So there's 4 locks here on the side. As you can see, I've already removed one of these. So you just pull it from the back. I'm gonna show you the back. So this thing comes out here. You just let's give you an example. So there's like a lock in here. You just have to like push it back. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the easy part. The hard part is in the front. So after you remove that, this pops out, and pops out, and the other one pops out. So there's 4. So that's good for now. The hard part is in the front because it's kind of tricky. The hard part is the front because there's like there's some white things that are stuck in there that's really tricky to me. It's tricky to figure out how to remove it. But I was just trying to like move it. Like if you move it like this, it doesn't really budge. So what you have to do is there's like a plastic here in the middle. You have to bend this. This thing is flexible. I was kind of scared to move this before, but you can bend it, and then you get a twist. You need to twist it sideways like this. Bend it like that, and then twist it sideways, and it's gonna pop out of the socket. Let me see now. See, it's starting to pop out. There you go. So I popped the first one. I'm gonna do the next one. See, it just pops out. Just be careful not to break it, and then the last one just pops off easily. You can see that it's just gonna pop off quite easily because it's really rough. So that's how you remove your Safety First seat to wash it. So I'm gonna wash this, and then I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna install. I'm gonna show you how to put it back after I washed it. This one already dried up. Our thing dried up, so we're gonna put it back. I'm gonna show you how to put it back.
Look at the new one.
So let's put this over here. Just insert it. Let's insert. I'm gonna invert this thing. So let's insert it and just pull it over here. You just have to pull it like this, and that locks it. That thing is already locked, so it won't fall off. So let's do it to the remaining 3. So this one, you gotta insert it over here, and just meet it over here. So I'm pulling it. So it's pulled, as you can see. So I'm putting it over here. You can see that. I'm putting the flash on so you can see. You can see I'm getting the yellow. Just pull it out. So as you can see, I got all 4. 1, 2. It's all locked now. It won't come off. So as you can see, it's all secured now. It won't come off. So we just have to do the front part. Do the front part. This is the tricky part. So because you have to insert. You have to insert this knobs, these little things. There's 3 of them. You gotta insert them in those holes. There's 3 holes. So let's try to do that. You can bend this thing. That's how you're gonna insert it. You're gonna bend this thing. Supposed to start with the middle, so I'm gonna start with the middle. There, I got the middle. So the middle's on. I gotta work with this one. You're gonna do this. You make it like a form with the shape. The first 2, and this is the last piece. This is the last piece. So I finally got it on. I just have to like arrange it properly, and that's it. So you assemble this thing. That's how you install the seat back after washing it.